Imagine making a film on $250 million, Bhanje.
And do you think that it's going to be that easy and cheap? To know their worth, you must be well acquainted with their past.
What's their story?
First one, a fanatic turned atheist, and now the most celebrated director. Second one was a school dropout, and now a high-ranked musician. Third one was a frustrated marketing executive, and now he's a passionate writer. The fourth one, failed stand-up comedian, and now chameleon of an actor. And the fifth one, sir, wedding photographer.
And now a cinematographer?
Bingo!
But there's a guy who can beat him.
I know you're talking about Karan, right? So you're going to break them?
No. I want to buy them.
And how are you going to do that?